So what is the third condition? What is happening in the third condition?
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ.
Ma'am, when two dissimilar diseases of equal strength meet, what they does not repel each other nor they suspend each other.
हाँ.
Either what they do take different parts and form a complex disease in the same person.
Right. So the question is always like this. What is complex disease? It may be for the 5 marks or it may be for the 2 marks. If they want to ask separately about the conditions. So the question may comes directly on the complex disease, or it may be what happened when the two dissimilar diseases are meet together. So by any form, they can ask the question. So the complex disease means two dissimilar, equal strength, neither repel nor suspend, and they will be present with the organs which they can adapt, and they will be remain inside the body. The person will be more disease and the cure will not be there. Clear all the three conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the aphorism number 41.
Ma'am, examples are remaining.
Examples झालेत ना? Measles and smallpox.
I will explain.
Both the diseases are prevalent for the epidemic and they remain as it is. It is only the example he has explained, nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
Now the 41. Much more frequent than natural diseases associating with and complicating one another in the same body are the morbid complications. So again, this is the explanation of third condition which is given in the aphorism number 40. So he said that when the natural disease is associated with the artificial disease, then it causes the complications and resulting the art of the ordinary practitioner, which the inappropriate medical treatment is apt to produce by long continued employment of the unsuitable drugs. So why this is happening? Because of using inappropriate medical drugs, which are the allopathic mode of treatment. And because of continued use, because of the long use or the employment of the medicine with the unsuitable drugs, there is a formation of the complex disease, or the disease is more complicating one. To the natural disease which it is proposed to cure, there are then added. A person comes to the physician to cure his natural disease, and what the physician is doing, because of the constant repetition and the unsuitable medicinal agent, a new, often tedious. What is tedious?
More complicated.
Yes, more complicated, more difficult to cure. So ऐसा disease उसको एक gift में मिल जाता है, which is more tedious. Morbid conditions corresponding to the this nature of the agent. So they are not curing the original one, but they are giving the more tedious malady to the patient. These gradually coalesce with and complicate the chronic malady which is dissimilar to them. So which is dissimilar to the previous one. So because of using such unsuitable medicinal agent, that too of repeated doses, where the complaints are long continued, so again a new dissimilar disease will be formed there. So there is an addition to the older disease, a new dissimilar artificial malady and also of chronic nature. So वो जब जाता है फिजिशियन के पास टू क्योर द डिसीज, उसको और एक गिफ्ट मिल जाता है, and does give the patient a double in place of single disease. So he got return gift. वो ठीक करने के लिए जाता है and he got the return gift from the physician, one more disease, that is to say render him much worse and more difficult to cure. So that unsuitable medicine and repeated doses makes the patient more and more worse, and it is very difficult to cure. In which disease classification this comes? Disease classification हुआ है ना आपका 72 aphorism में?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. In which part it comes?
Chronic diseases, no?
But in what classification of chronic disease it comes?
False chronic diseases.
False chronic disease. What is false chronic disease?
No, ma'am, it's not come under the false chronic diseases.
Then which type? What are
It
the
is
three
true
types
chronic
of?
diseases. Fully.
What are the three types?
Artificial chronic diseases, false chronic disease, and true chronic disease.
Correct. So in which type it will come?
True chronic disease, fully developed symptoms, and it may be due to miasmatic disease or compound miasmatic disease.
एक ही मुझे ऑप्शन बोलो. In which type it will come, whether it is in a false or true or the artificial?
Artificial.
हाँ, artificial. Because true, it is because of the miasm, you only said. Second is inappropriate or the false, because of the false diet and regimen, because of the false administration. This is happening. And the third one, that is artificial, which is difficult to cure because of this unsuitable medicine. Okay, so this is under the third type of classification given by Dr. Hahnemann. So here there is a formation of new dissimilar artificial malady, which is of chronic nature. And thus the patient get a double disease instead of the single disease. And by this, the patient is became more worse and difficult to cure. Many of the cases of which advice is asked the medicinal journals, as also the records of the other cases in medical writings, attest the truth of this. Of a similar character are frequent cases in which the venereal chancre's disease complicated, especially with the sura or with the venereal chancre disease complicated with dyscrasia or condylomata gonorrhea, which is not get cure for the longer use and the repeated treatment of the larger and the unsuitable mercurial preparation. So he has given the example of the miasm, where in lot of journals also they have mentioned कि the syphilis, it is not get cure, but that patient is having the soric manifestations. The patient is having the venereal chancres. At the same time, he may develop the at the same time, he may have the soric manifestations, and there is no use of the treatment by the mercury, because the mercurial preparations we are giving for the syphilis. In which form we are giving that mercury for the syphilis? What is the name of that medicine prepared by mercury? Which is a form of that medicine, name of that medicine? We are also using the mercurial preparation for the treatment of the syphilis. Which is that medicine? Do you know? Say yes or no, otherwise I will give the answer. That is a Moxol. So this is again prepared by the mercury, and this is the king of antipsychotic remedy we are giving for the syphilitic manifestations, but assumes its place in the organism beside a chronic mercurial affection that has been in the meantime gradually developed and does along with forms the hidden monster complicated disease when it quite incurable can be transferred into the health with a greatest difficulty. So the person may have the venereal chancre. They are giving the mercurial preparation with the larger doses, and the patient is not getting the cure, but this hideous monster, it is remain as it is inside the body. It is remain incurable, and the patient may get the another disease, that is the hidden monster of complicated disease उन्होंने उसको नाम दिया है, and which is very difficult to cure. So in this way, they are not curing the patient, but they are making the job of the another physician more tedious. Now making the that case more difficult by giving such massive doses of their unsuitable medicine. So there is a one footnote. For mercury, besides the morbid symptoms, which by virtue of similarity can cure the venereal disease homeopathically. Just now I have told कि if you want to treat the venereal disease, we are also giving the mercurial preparations. But what is the difference between them and us? If we are giving the same mercurial preparation, what is the difference?
We are making the mercury application by potentization, no?
Sensitization. We
And
activate the
dynamically, we are giving
powers,
the mercurial preparation.
powers of the medicine.
Correct. Second point. Second point.
We have different doses in our hand. We
Yes,
have number
correct.
of protein units.
We are giving a single dose for that medicine, and एक महीने के लिए वो patient को placebo पे छोड़ देते हैं. We are not repeating it again and again, so that that medicine will act properly. So this is the difference, कि dose and potency in our hand, and we are not repeated it in a much more frequently. So this is the difference, and we are doing the potentization of it, and hence we know the ingredients, how they will act when you increasing the potency and when you decrease the potency. There is no, the unwanted ingredients are not there, we know this, and hence if you want to cure that person homeopathically by giving the same mercurial preparation, that patient will get the relief. As among the effect, many other unlike those of syphilis, for instance, swelling and ulceration of bones, this is again a syphilitic miasm, which if it is be employed for larger doses, causes a new malady. So same thing repeatedly with if you are giving, so this may affect the other part of the body, and there is a formation of new malady and commit a great raves in the body, especially when the complicated with sora, as it is frequently the case. So same medicine we are also giving, but the patient is get the relief. They are giving the same medicine without potentization, and they got the new malady out of them. So these are the three conditions that we have seen. First one, if the new disease is weaker, it will repel. Second condition, if the new disease is stronger, it will get suspended. And the third condition, there is a formation of complex disease because of the equal strength of both the diseases. And what is the output of that, or what is the conclusion? The patient is not getting the relief. He will get the new disease as a gift from the unsuitable and the massive doses of the medicine. And to explain that, he has given the example of syphilis and sora with the mercurial preparation. Clear all the three types?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Are you able to write the 20-mark question on that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to
Yes,
start
ma'am.
from the aphorism number 35, where the explanation, or we can say the introduction of these three types are given. Then aphorism number 36, first condition. 37 में उसका explanation दिया है with examples. 38 he has mentioned the second condition. 39 examples. 40 में third third type, and the 41 में the explanation of that. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
आन्सर मध्ये हे पण लिहायचं का aphorism?
नाही नाही. Aphorism,
Explanation आणि
explanation and examples. Don't write where you have to write the aphorism number when you are writing the conditions. So aphorism number 36, that is the first condition. For the explanation, there is no need to write the aphorism number.
ओके मॅम.
So कौन से aphorism आएंगे? 36 में first, 38 में second and 40 में third. The aphorism number will come. But for the explanation, there is no need to write the aphorism.
ओके मॅम.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now we will see what happen when the similar diseases are meet together. We have seen the dissimilar diseases. Now in the aphorism number 42 and 43, we will see what will happen if the two similar. What the two things we have seen similar and stronger, that we have seen in the aphorism number 26. And after that, we have seen in between the antipathy. If the dissimilar medicines you are giving, what is happening? And from that, we have started the conditions कि अगर dissimilar भी है लेकिन strong है, so what is happening inside the body? Now we will see exactly opposite कि similar है और stronger भी है. Then what will happen? That is given in the further aphorisms. Can somebody read 42 aphorism for me? It is again a gist of all the three conditions. Can anybody read? Read. Read.
Nature herself permits, as has been stated in some cases, the simultaneous occurrence of two, indeed of three, natural diseases in one and the same body. This complication, however, it must be remarked, happens only in the cases of two dissimilar diseases, which according to the eternal law of nature do not remove, do not annihilate, and cannot cure one another, but as it seems both or all three remains as it were separate in the organism, and each take possession of a part and system peculiarly appropriate to it, which on account of the want of resemblance of these melodies to each other can very well happen without this disparagement to the unity of life.
Yes, correct. So again, this is a gist. Have you understood it? Can anybody explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody explain aphorism number 42?
Ma'am, can I?
No, wait. Huh? Deepak, explain aphorism number 42.
Can I read first, ma'am?
Okay, you read. तब तक मैं दूसरों को किसी को पूछती हूँ. निरंजन is here और सुशांत is here. और जीवन is here.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Who is here? Sushant.
Ma'am.
हाँ.
Sushant.
हाँ. Give me the answer.
Hey.
Huh? What is the question, Sushant? You don't know the question? Jivan Varuns. Jivan is here. दीपक झालं तुझं वाचून? अरे Sushant is not giving answer. Deepak is not giving answer. Jivan is not responding. Don't give attendance to Jivan. सुशांत काय झालं? एक्सप्लेन aphorism number 42. दीपक झालं वाचून?
मॅम क्वेश्चन आलो नाही नीट ऐकू.
एक्सप्लेन aphorism number 42.
रीड करतो मॅम.
हा रीड करा. दीपक झालं?
हा झालं थोडं.
बोल. चुकलं तर चुकलं. तुझ्यापासून मी किती 500-600 किलोमीटरवर अंतरावर असेल, मी काय करू शकते?
बोलण्यातून मारू शकते.
असं का? बोला.
Simultaneous occurrence of two natural diseases in one and the same body.
हा
This complication, however, it must be remarked, happens
Okay.
only in case of two dissimilar diseases. म्हणजे असं सांगायचं त्यांना की दोन नॅचरल डिसीज एका पर्सन मध्ये आहेत.
हम्म.
हे असं फक्त घडू शकतं, असं कॉम्प्लिकेशन घडू शकतं ओनली इन केसेस ऑफ टू डिसिमिलर which according to the eternal laws of nature do not remove, do not annihilate and cannot cure one another.
एक मिनिट हा.
But
व्हॉट इज
as
द
it seems,
इटर्नल लॉ ऑफ नेचर? तिथेच वाचलं ना तू. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ these two dissimilar diseases रिमूव्ह पण नाही करू शकत, ते अॅनिहिलेट पण नाही करू शकत, ते क्युअर पण नाही करू शकत. यू ओनली सेड. देन व्हॉट इज
Yes,
दिस लॉ? अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ असं तू म्हणाला ना. देन व्हॉट इज दिस लॉ? त्या लॉ नुसार मग तो लॉ कोणता आहे? व्हॉट इज दॅट इटर्नल लॉ ऑफ नेचर?
Can I?
नाही. आय एम आस्किंग टू दीपक. दीपक विल ओनली गिव्ह मी द आन्सर. बरं विचार कर. पुढे बोल. पुढे बोल ना.
as it seems both remain as it is we are separate in organism and each take possession of the part and system peculiarly appreciate it. मला एवढंच कळलं मॅम की दोन सिमिलर डिसीजेस एका पेशंट मध्ये असल्यानंतर ते अॅनिलेट करू शकत नाही या इटर्नल लॉ नुसार. आपण काय लॉ आहे
म्हणजे
ते
क्युअरच होत नाही तिथे पेशंट.
पेशंट क्युअर होऊ शकत नाही.
बरोबर आहे. परफेक्ट समजलंय तुला. फक्त इटर्नल लॉ ऑफ नेचर म्हणजे आपला 26 एफोरिझम. त्याच्यामध्ये काय दिलंय? जर दोन सिमिलर आणि स्ट्रॉंगर डिसीज जर मीट झाले देन ओनली ते क्युअर होईल. पण इथे काय होत आहे? डिसिमिलर डिसीजेस होते.
सिमिलर डिसीजेस येतात त्यामुळे क्युअर पण होऊ शकत नाही आणि लेट होऊ शकत नाही त्याची.
बरोबर आहे. फक्त इथे महत्वाचं काय आहे? इटर्नल लॉ ऑफ नेचर. कळालं?
हो मॅम.
ओके. सुशांत. सुशांत. त्याला नेटवर्क नसेल आता. दीपक एक्सप्लेन व्हेरी नाइसली. नो दीपक इज आपलं सॉरी सुशांतला नेटवर्क नाहीये. सो इन द aphorism number 42 they have only mentioned कि two dissimilar disease they will not cure, they will not annihilate, they will not remove one another because according to this internal or the eternal law of nature they should be a similar one. So उसका problem क्या हो रहा है? They will causing the complex disease and hence the patient is not getting the cure. This is only the gist from the aphorism number 36 to 41. Now we will see what will happen if the two similar diseases will meet together. So when they're totally different, however, when the result of two dissimilar disease meet together in a one organism, then what the two dissimilar diseases, they are stronger, sorry, similar diseases, they are stronger and similar and they will cure the natural disease. And we get the lesson that when the two similar diseases meet together in the one organism, there will be neither suspension nor repel and there will be a no complex disease. Only cure will be effected or the cure will be there of that person or of that disease. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, if two similar diseases are equal strength, then what happens?
Equal strength, then they will be remain as it is. That is a standstill condition.
As it is.
Yes, but there will be
Okay.
no complication, there will be no repulsion and no suspension. स्टैंड स्टिल कंडीशन में पेशेंट आएगा, in that case you have to increase your potency.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So further aphorisms we will continue tomorrow. And
Okay, ma'am.
today is no homework. Let it be. Have you understood all the 3 condition plus 1? That is a similar disease.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक. So I am leaving this meeting here. Tomorrow we will meet again at the same time, or I will give you the timings. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.